Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. And what you're looking at here is the very early stages of my DIY Jungle Gym root cellar, aka summer heat shelter. So I'll be taking you along for the journey as I construct an underground shelter that will keep me cool in the summer and also be a place where I can store vegetables if I want to. So this is the site selection here. This is a spot in our garden where we used to have a compost pile. Now I have to go through, clean up all the dirt, level the ground, and dig. It's going to be a bit of a project. It's going to be a very big project, but it should be worth it. So the journey begins with this fine piece of equipment, which is a plate geodome. This I bought off Amazon for about $200, and I will link it in the description below. But why a play dome for kids, you might ask? And the reason I did is because it's a very strong shape. So my idea was to basically create a dirt igloo. I'm going to dig out the foundation. I'm going to construct this dome over the top. I'm going to layer it with dirt or other insulating materials that I have on site. It should be strong enough to support the weight. And then I should be able to go inside it and hang out and not be hot as much as I want. So there's the pile of materials, and all I need to do is put them together. And that'll probably be the last steps, though. I jumped the gun and I bought the play dome first because I was so excited. The thing is 10 feet in diameter, so it's actually quite a chunk of space. So it's been sitting here for a while I get back to the project. Probably want to buy it after you've done all the digging. I got those steps out of order because I was excited. So anyway, that's the basis of the project, and we will talk about next steps. So this is the next step, which is digging, which is why this project hasn't proceeded until winter, because I had a lot of site prep to do. I had to tear down my compost pile, and right now I'm in the process of sifting through the compost and sorting it out, removing the rocks. I have to level the earth, I have to dig it down. It's gonna rain hopefully tonight, which is convenient/inconvenient, and I'll be curious to see how the water behaves on site. But I have internally committed to going slow, doing a very good job, because if I do it right at each step, I know this sounds silly to have like a dirt igloo, but I'm really excited about it, and it should be a nice asset that lasts for a long time. And if it works, if I can go in there and hang out in my backyard and be underground when it's 65 degrees under there and 105 degrees outside, I will be one happy camper, and I promise I'll bring you with me. So this concludes part 1 of the dirt igloo project. I'm gonna start digging. Enjoy that visual, and we will catch up with you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see how this project comes along. Give me a like, leave me some questions in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear what you guys think about this crazy idea. All right, guys, talk to you soon.